Hey, welcome to week 9. This is the last lesson that I'm going to tape for you, and I'm only going to just put the one up. So this is the the distributive property. I'm reading the title on your sheet. It says distribution practice. Okay, first thing we're going to do is we're going to start out with a couple examples, and you're going to see the directions. They say distribute the number outside the parentheses by multiplying, and then determine which answer represents the new expression. So as you see on this example, they have the expression 6, and then in parentheses 4 plus 7r. Basically, what that means is that you are going to distribute the 6 to the 4, which you see them doing there, and then you get 24. And then you're going to distribute the 6 to the 7r, which you see right here, and then they get the 42r, and you just leave it like that because as we learned last week, 24 and 42r are not like terms. Usually when we write it, we put the variable term first before the constant term. And then we're pretty much done. So I'm going to make up one here, and we're going to see how my writing does. So I'm just going to make one up. Let's just call this, right, 2 on the outside. And let's call this 5 plus 8y. I'm going to distribute the 2 to the 5. 2 times 5 is 10. Then I'm going to distribute the 2 to the 8. 2 times 8 is 16, and that 16 gets the y. Then I'm going to change the order. 16y plus 10, and again, because in algebra, you'll find next year when you're in Algebra 1 that you'll be putting the variable term first. So if you look at the student practice, it's multiple choice, and you're just gonna look at this. It's gonna be 7 times x plus 7 times 6, which is gonna be 7x plus 42. So for your answer, you are going to be putting B for the answer. And that's all you do. So we're kind of saving the easiest thing to the last. Most of you have done a really good job. And I missed seeing you. It was nice to see those of you that I saw on our pickup day this morning. And hopefully I'll see, if you didn't make it today on Monday, hopefully I'll see y'all on Saturday. Try to get this done by Friday, and so we can finish up the grades. All right, have a good one. Enjoy this very easy assignment.